Trying to send an important document or file through Google Workspace Gmail, but the attachment just won't go through? The problem could be solved by several things. Files exceeding the 25 MB attachment size limit, unsupported files type being blocked, browser issues, conflicting Gmail extensions, or something else. The tricky part is figuring out which issues is affecting you. So in this video, I'll walk you through proven solutions to get your files sent successfully again. However, if you need more help, then call on the numbers on the screen to talk to our experts. Let's fix the issue now. Alright, open the new tab on your browser. Press Ctrl+H on your keyboard to bring your browser history. Now, click on Delete Browsing Data. When the pop-up appears, click on More drop-down menu and select All Time. Make sure the chat box next to Cached Email and Files is checked. Finally, click Clear Data and then check if your attachment issue is fixed. After that, open your Google Workspace Gmail and see if your problem is resolved. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.